Easy tips for making your bed. Ever wake up, look at your bed, and think, I'll just leave it messy today. But then you do, and your room feels off. What if I told you that making your bed could change your entire day? Stick around, and I'll show you how a simple habit can set the tone for your morning and your mindset. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Imagine this. You wake up, stretch, and instead of pulling the covers back over your head, you make your bed. It only takes a few minutes, but it feels like a small victory. And that victory, it sets the tone for your entire day. But why does something as simple as making your bed have such a profound impact? It's because it's the first task of the day that you can control. It's a moment of order in a world that often feels chaotic. Making your bed isn't just about tidiness, it's about mindset. Studies have shown that people who make their beds daily are more productive, have better sleep quality, and feel more accomplished. It's a small act that leads to big results. Think about it. When you walk into your room and see a neatly made bed, it feels inviting and calming, right? But when it's messy, it feels like unfinished business, a weight on your shoulders. Now, let's break down how to make your bed quickly and effectively. Start with placing the fitted sheet on your mattress. Ensure the corners are snug and the sheet is smooth. Pro tip: find the tag on your fitted sheet and place it on the bottom right corner of your mattress. This helps ensure the sheet fits correctly without needing to start over. Next, add the flat sheet. Lay the flat sheet over the fitted sheet with the finished side facing down. Align it evenly on all sides. Pro tip: fold the top edge of the flat sheet over the blanket or duvet to keep it in place. Then, place the blanket or duvet. Lay your blanket or duvet over the flat sheet, smooth out any wrinkles, and ensure it's centered. Now, tuck in the sides and foot. Tuck the sides and foot of the blanket or duvet under the mattress. For a polished look, you can create hospital corners by folding the fabric at a 45-degree angle and tucking it under the mattress. Next, fluff the pillows. Fluff your pillows to restore their shape. Place them at the head of the bed, with the openings facing inward for a neat appearance. Finally, add decorative touches. If desired, add decorative pillows or a throw blanket to enhance the bed's appearance. If you're short on time, here are some hacks to make your bed quickly. The roll and unroll method. Before bed, roll your blanket or duvet with a top sheet inside. In the morning, unroll it, and your bed is made in seconds. The layered approach. Use a duvet with a cover instead of a top sheet and blanket. This reduces the number of layers and simplifies the process. Simplify bedding. Skip the decorative pillows and throws if you're in a rush. A clean, simple bed can still look inviting. Making your bed daily isn't just about cleanliness. It's about cultivating discipline and a sense of accomplishment. It's a small act that reinforces the idea that you can control your environment, even if just for a few minutes each morning. This habit can boost your mood, increase your productivity, and even improve your sleep quality. It's a simple change that can have a profound impact on your day. Before we wrap up, I have something special for you. If you're looking to make your home even more comfortable and stylish, check out our free community on School. You'll get access to our exclusive top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. Plus, join a community made for women where we share tips, tricks, and support each other on our journeys. Don't miss out. Click the link below to join now. So, the next time you wake up, take a moment to make your bed. It only takes a few minutes, but the benefits last all day. Remember, it's not just about a tidy room. It's about setting the tone for your day and your mindset. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Until next time, take care and make your bed. Thanks for watching. If you have any other household challenges you'd like me to tackle, drop them in the comments below. And remember, a well-made bed is the first step to a great day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos on home hacks and cleaning tips. Click here to watch our latest video on organizing your closet like a pro, and here to learn how to declutter your home in just 10 minutes a day. Subscribe now and join our community of home enthusiasts.